They know it's about to go down. They can feel it in me. I got a message for y'all, man. Peace, ashe, love, greetings. Welcome to the channel. I go by L. I am L. My birth name has L in it. I have several L's in my name. We all know where L hails from. We all were created in the image of those who created everything. So we are overall. We're above all. From the biggest things to the smallest things, we are over all. What's going on, man? Welcome to the channel. I just want to get right to the chase, man. Semen demons, paranormals, the paranormal, and parasites. Can somebody please tell me what's the difference between paranormal and parasites? Semen demons. What's a semen demon? You can get them in your semen, pass them out, spread them out. Or there's a semen demon out there looking for yours, which is a female corrupted. Malcolm X and them was talking about this. This was something that they did back in the day, worm gut cleansings. It was actually the thing to do. It was a study way back when. I'm talking about before folks could write. Where did the demons get vanished to? To the smallest dimension? Maybe. I said all that to say this, man. Be careful what you allow to break into Zion. You don't want anything but giving entrance to something that is going to help Zion. But when something gets in there and takes over and hijacks your body, the paranormal, parasite. See, to me, the word para means two places. Paranormal, paranormal activity, parasite. You trying to tell me those words, etymology, they don't go together? Semen demons. Man, I seen pictures of parasites and they look like demons. When they blow them up, they look like the face of a demon, what you would figure a demon to be. They look horrible, they look hideous, and they got teeth. All demons had teeth in all the movies, right? They got these round circular mouths, right? The demons, ain't that where most of Hollywood got the pictures and the faces of these demons from? Just magnified. Be careful where you stick in your pecker. And ladies, be careful what you allow to dip in your well. This is real. This is all alignment. One day I was scrolling on Facebook. There was a fast challenge, September 1st through the 9th. I accepted and I conquered, and it was the best feeling I had. It was 3 days fruit, 3 days water, then 3 days fruit, and then break your fast if you chose to. Some people kept on going on. I broke my salad. I broke my fast with a cucumber salad. It was amazing. Foods can do some things to us that we have no idea, and the fruit is like, I've said this before, I wrote about this in a book. Food is genetic code. You know, if you pluck an apple away from an apple tree, eventually another apple is going to grow. If you pluck an Oreo from a pack of Oreos, it's over with. You can take the same seeds from an apple and plant it in the ground, and more apples will grow. You can take that Oreo and plant it in the ground, and it's gonna turn into mold and fungus. Mold and fungus only attacks dead things. Dead stuff, right? Mold and fungus and parasites and bacteria, they only attack dead things, right? Worms only eat dead things, right? So if you eating all this stuff and you mess around, start hurting yourself, you like become the walking dead. And if you full of all of that stuff that they like, that means you're the walking dead and they're eating on something that's walking dead. Y'all better pay attention to these movies, man. All these series out here. There's one particular series, not a series, but a show I watched a long time ago. It was called The Night of the Creeps, and it was these little black worms going around getting in people's brains. And they were walking dead. It was a comet, it was a monster, it was doing something, it was on a spaceship, and it shot a capsule to Earth. Somebody seen it. He went out there, whatever it was in the capsule, jumped out the capsule, jumped in both of his eyes. He became a walking person. Then he walked up to this party, and there was this party, and by the time he got to the party, they had reproducing his head so fast, he fell down, his head bust, and a whole bunch of worms came out, and they started going towards the people in the city. Man, they've been telling us this stuff for a long time. They gotta put it in your face to let you know. Parasites and paranormal are the same thing. Para means two. I always thought they're saying we are in this body operating it from up high. Who's to say parasites aren't something down low operating from somewhere else and you controlling you? Oh yeah, I'm back. Semen demons. Now everybody's spreading this stuff. That's why you gotta watch the woman you choose, the man you choose, what you eat. They talk about that pork got that worm. That beef got that worm. You can cook it, you can boil it, you can stew it. It's still gonna be there. Semen demons. The women that's on the prowl, that's out there, that's prostitutes. A lot of these STDs, sexually transmitted demons. Yeah, they try to tell you sexually transmitted diseases. Sexually transmitted demons. Are you following? You better, because your life depends on it. That 9-day fast cleared me, and a week later I decided to do a cleanse. I started taking wormwood, walnut hull, cayenne pepper, garlic, diatomaceous earth. I bought some Paragard. I bought some something Mimosa pudica, and some what else? I forgot the name of it. Diatomaceous earth. Started taking it. Wow. Story time. I went to the restroom one night. Let's just say I had this dream. This dream was very weird. It was a very weird dream. Very weird dream. And I don't want to talk about it. But when I woke up, my stomach was boiling. The dream was good. You know, dreams, you got to pay attention to them, man, especially when things going on. And this was going on. This let me know this world is deeper than what they tell us. Paranormal, parasites, you know. It gets deep. Etymology, study your words, man. Like coughing and coughing. Coffin. But what you get buried in, a coffin. Come on, man. Wake up. Speed up. Catch up. Get rid of all that hot sauce, man. Catch up. But I woke up and I used the bathroom, and man, all I know is it just said whoosh. after I took all that stuff, man, and I looked down and I was like, oh, I ain't got no parasites. I ain't got none of that. You ain't got no parasites. So I looked and I seen it, we ain't got a TMI. We ain't got a TMI. We know what she look like. But when I saw it, I saw a little bit over here, I saw a little bit over there, and all of it was different. Everything was a little different. Usually when you use the bathroom, it's just one solid doogie. But this right here was a little different. It was like little substance here, little substance there. What's that? Looked like some coral reef. Like a coral reef around here. Fish and things live around a coral reef. Certain types of sea urchin and seahorses live around coral reef. So I seen little stuff, little specks, little stuff. I saw something, man. I don't want to talk about that, but I saw something else, though, man. I looked and I said, what that is? I said, man, I gotta get that. So it was a little, just opened a box of soap the night before. Took the little tab off of it, folded up, pulled this long thing up, man. I was like, wait a minute, man. So I stretched that mug out. I wear a size 12. That's all I'm gonna say. And ever since then, it's like something had a hold of me. Parasites, Paranormal. And I was like, what is that? What was that? And then I went to look and study, and somebody said it might have been a mucus line, but then I seen so many things that resemble what people said and came up. Went to YouTube where we at now. I remember back in the day, I used to eat a whole lot of sushi, whole lot of medium well, whole lot of bull. Not no more. Done, man. It's like I started out with this A1 nutrition for healing. Then we rise, we fall. Let's be real, we all human. We balance. We fall away, we come back. I'm a Scorpio. This is what I do. I rise from the ashes every time I burn off some old, man. That's me, what type of person I am. And I'm back. Scene team. Watch out for the semen demons. Get them out your body if you feel like they in there. Signs of them in your body. Unexplained, rashes on your body, neck, arms. Scratching all the time. When you read some of go look on the YouTube, they'll tell you if your ass itching, if your hair got a lot of dandruff, eczema. All this stuff is those little buddies building up, mixed with candida, man. Clean y'all bodies, man. I'm for real. For real, man. It's real. This is real. It ain't about the women, it ain't about the money. It ain't about what you can go get, man. Once you get that bag, you still gotta, your body still gotta be right. It's a vibration. You ain't gonna get that until your vibration right, and something might got a hold of you and you don't know it. That's why you can't rise. As above, so below. As within, so without. You are up high, operating this down low. And parasites, I feel, are something down low, operating in you, down low in your bowels, bile, babble below, the lower chakra down there where the sex take place, where those little buddies want to replicate, where they want to replicate at a fast rate. They want to reproduce at a fast rate because they got to take over. So what that means, that code being instilled in you, for you to go drop them demons off in a clean woman or another dirty woman, and she cheating on you, you cheating on her. It's a spread thing. Now these demons all over the place. I'm going to leave y'all with this, man. I'm checking the time. I'm going to leave y'all with this. You are the God of your body, your earth. Just like God is over us and everything down here, without, within, you are the God of that. You have crevices, rivers, places, mountains, valleys inside of your body where things can go to live. We have good bacteria, bad bacteria. You are the God of that. Are you guiding your body right? Are you guiding your body right? Our body is heaven. You ever heard them say the pearly gates of heaven? The pearly gates of heaven? Only the righteous gonna come through the pearly gates of heaven? Well, the news had y'all thinking the wrong thing. Religion got y'all thinking the wrong thing. We are heaven, and the pearly gates is these teeth. Don't they call them pearly whites? And you allow hell through the pearly gates every day, eating that bull. Now, the Sentinels, Zion, the Trojan horse, has made it through the first barrier, and all they had to do was make a commercial, pop some colors at you, make it look good, make it look decadent, trick your senses, tricks your nerves, make you want to eat. No fight, pearly gates wide open, agape. You trying. Nothing to your head. You are heaven, your body is the earth. And all of its inhabitants, depending on how they're living, is how you act and how you feel. That means you're not guiding right. You're not guiding right. And if your vibration reaches too low, the paranormal suck you dry. The semen demons, don't demons come to steal your spirit, your soul? After they suck you dry, all your nutrients, that's what they do. They eat your nutrients, your iron. And once your energy, your vibration get too low, you out of there. And a lot of things that's going on out there, y'all see a lot of people getting out of here. Semen demons, parasites, paranormal. This is serious, semen team. I mean that. I went down to come back up. And I'm a Scorpio. I do this repetitiously. That's what we do. Take care of yourselves out here, man. Fast and do a cleanse. 3 days fruit, 3 days water, 3 days fruit is a good fast. 9 days is 9. 9 is an elite number. 3, 6, 9, they're not of this earth. So run with the 9s, run with the 3s, run with the 6s. Nicola Test told y'all what the deal is with those numbers. Work them into your routines. 3 days water, 3 days fruit, 3 days fast, or vice versa, however you want to do it. Follow it up with a cleansing. Open up them pathways. Take all that stuff I said. If you got any questions, want to know what to do, what to buy, hit me up in the comments, man. This is easy. I'm telling you it's easy. We just make it hard. Don't come in the comments saying it's hard. No, you make it hard. It's easy. It's just routine and choice, and something might got a hold of you, making it hard. Paranormal, parasites, semen demons. All right, semen team. Y'all know the drill. Get to it.